Miasma got promoted this week. It's a worm. It now maintains 57 NPM packages. Nobody hired it. Nobody approved it. It hired itself. Then it signed its own employment contract with a valid GitHub signature. The receipt says verified. The receipt lied. Miasma starts work inside Red Hat's official tooling. 80,000 downloads a week, now poisoned. First task, steal SSH keys. Second task, drain CLI tokens. Third task, empty browser wallets. Then comes the clever part. The worm grabs your GitHub Actions signing token. It republishes itself. The build server stamps a perfect, valid SLSA attestation. Your scanner sees a green check. Ships it to production. The defense the industry sold you, beaten by stealing one token. Here is what nobody is saying. The security industry sold attestation as the fix. Sign every package. Prove the build. Trust the chain. Sigstore raised millions. SLSA became a religion. Miasma loves attestation. Miasma is attestation's biggest fan. Because attestation does not verify the code. It verifies the signer. And the signer is now a worm with admin rights. The most security-obsessed ecosystem on earth just learned that sign and safe are not the same word. The funniest part. Miasma is a copy-paste. The base malware was open-sourced years ago on GitHub. 2,000 stars. MIT license. The worm read the docs. 2 days later, second wave. 57 more packages. Same script. $1 trillion ecosystem owned by a tutorial. Pin your dependencies. Rotate your tokens. And stop trusting receipts you didn't write. Up arrow for more